Welcome back, dear students. As I already told you that in next period we will deal with vertical addition. Now we will deal with vertical addition. In our previous session we had already discussed about horizontal addition. I told you how we are writing horizontal addition, how we are adding it, what are the methods. Okay, now we will deal with vertical addition. Now we will deal with vertical addition. Vertical addition. See, in vertical addition, first of all, what is vertical addition? Addition, as you know very well, while we are putting two numbers together, then we are doing addition only to find out the total numbers. So two types are there. I already told you that. First is horizontal addition and second one is vertical addition. Now we will deal with vertical addition. First of all, you should know that whenever we will do vertical addition, what is the formation of the numbers? Means how will we write on the numbers? Okay, while you are performing horizontal addition, I told you that numbers will be in a sequence. Okay, like this. Okay, the numbers will go left to right. Okay, but while you are performing vertical addition, the numbers will be in standing position. Means one after one. This will be the position. If you have to add 2 plus 3 in vertical form, the form will be like this. As you can see, the number is like this. Okay, so whenever you will perform a vertical addition, always number must be like this, and the sign will be like this, and here will be like this. Okay, so we'll start with our exercise. One digit with one digit, I know you know very well. Okay, so we will start our addition with, as you know, here it is written, addition of a 2-digit number with 1 digit. Addition of a 2-digit number with 1 digit. Okay, so you know 2-digit numbers, you know 1-digit number. Okay, 20, 21, 22, in which 2 digits are together, they are called 2-digit numbers. In which only 1 digit are there, they are called 1-digit numbers. Okay, as an example, you can see 25 plus, this is a 2-digit number. We will add 2 here. Addition of 2 digit with 1 digit. Addition of 2-digit number with 1 digit. Okay, so what is the first rule that you have to follow? The first rule is, whenever you will start performing your addition, first rule is you will always start from right side. Means your right side. Okay, so this is left side, this is right side. So you will start from right side. Here 25, the addition is always performing from back side. Okay, 25, 2 is front side and 5 is at back side. So always we will perform addition from back side. Okay, from right side. If you will perform your addition from front side, now we are adding with 1 digit. This time that will be correct. But afterwards, when you will deal with 2-digit numbers with carry, that time that question will be wrong. So keep one thing in your mind very clearly, that whenever you are dealing with addition of 2 digit with 1 digit or 2 digit, one rule you have to follow, and you have to follow that you will always perform addition by back side. Okay, from back side, never from front side. Means always you will start from right side. Okay, so here we will start from this side. 5 plus 2, and whatever number is, first of all, see here, you can see after 5 I have written here 2. So how the question is written, same to same you have to write. Okay, same to same you have to write. After ones will come, after tens will come. Okay, same to same you have to write. So start doing addition. We will start from back side. So this is our back side, this is our right side. So 5 plus 2, what number will come? We'll get here 7. We'll get here 7. Here you can see no number is there with 2. No number is there with 2. Means we will not add any number with 2. So what answer will come? 27. What answer will come? 27. Let's take one more example. 62 plus 6. 62 plus 6. Okay. So as I told you, addition always starts from right side. So which is right side? This is right side. So we will write from right side. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. What number will come? It will come here 8. It will come here 8. And downside 6, you can see no number is there. So we will not add anything in 6. Simply we will write down what? Simply we will write down 68. What will we write down? We will write down 68. Okay. Suppose next question, if it is there, like 69 plus 0. 69 plus 0. As I already told you in previous session that if we will add 0 with any number, we will get same number back. We will get same number back. As you can see, we will add 9 with 0. So 0 you are adding means what are you adding? You are adding nothing. You are adding nothing. So in 0 we will add nothing. So what answer will be here? 9. What answer will be here? 9. And here after 6 nothing is there. So it will be 6. So it will be 6. Okay. Some examples you can see here. Let's do. (42) plus 7. So 2 plus 7, 9 and 4. Here 33 and 5. Now question will come that if number is written like this, how will you arrange the number? Now question is this, that if number is written like this, how will you arrange the number? Now what you have to do, whenever you are starting, suppose you are writing 33. So write down 33. Now you have to write down 5. Whenever you will write down numbers downside, always start from back side. Here 5 is written. Here 5 is written. So what will you do? You will write down 5. Okay. So what answer will come? 3 plus 5, 8. And after 3 no number is there. So we will write on what? We will write on 38. We will write on what? We will write on 38. Let's see one more example. Let's see one more example that in your book it is already given. 21 and 8. So what we have to do? 21 we will write down 2, 1, and as I told you that 8 is at 1's place. So we will write down 8 here. 1 plus 8, 9 and 2. Always arrange the numbers in a systematic position. Means ones with ones, tens with tens. Don't mix the numbers. Okay. Now next what we have to do? Now we have to do Addition of two-digit number with two-digit. Addition of a two-digit number with two-digit. Okay, let's do. Let's do this. What is the question? Ones, tens. Okay. 34 and 52. 34 and 52. As I already told you that always start addition from back side, from right side. So 4 plus 6. See, ones will be added with ones and tens will be added with tens. You can't add 4 with 5. No. There is a sequence, no? So addition you will also perform in a sequence. 4 will be added with 2 and 3 will be added with 5. You can't add 3 with 2, that will be wrong. And you can't add 4 with 5, that will be wrong. You can't add 3 with 4 also. Means the addition you will perform like this only. This number you will add together and this number you will add together. This number you will add together and this number you will add together. Okay? So 4 plus 2, what answer will come here? 4 plus 2, what answer will come here? Here will come 6. Here will come 6. And 3 plus 5, what answer will come here? It will come 8. It will come 8. Let's take one example in which numbers are written and you have to arrange. Suppose the number is written like this, 32 and 33. Suppose the number is written like this. Then what you have to do? First of all, what you have to do? You have to write down ones and tens. Ones and tens. Okay, ones and tens. At tens position, tens number will come. At ones position, ones number will come. Always start the numbers from back side. 32. So 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here 3 and 3. Always start write down number from back side and perform all the addition from back side, from right side. Okay. So here 2 plus 3, 5 and 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Now what is the example? Example is 52 and 33. Okay. Although in your book this type of question you will not get, but still I am telling you how. If the question will come in this form, how will you write? Okay, this you don't like this, you will not do in your copy. In your copy directly the formation will come and afterwards you have to add. Okay, but you should know how to arrange the numbers. Okay, so while we are see some simply numbers are written like this. So what you have to do? First you have to write down ones and you have to write down tens. Ones and tens, ones and tens. So as I have started writing from back side, so here also I have started writing from back side 2 and 5 and here also 3 and 3. Add 2 plus 3 as I told you. You will add number in a sequence. 2 will be added in 3 only and 5 will be added in 3 only. 2 will be added in 3 and 5 will be added in 3. So 2 plus 3, what answer will come? 2 plus 3, 5 and 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, I hope you are able to understand it. So in your book related to this yes, in your book page number page number 87. Yes, only and only 87. You have to do page number 87. Page number 87 in your homework. Okay. Whenever book exercise I will tell, we will match answer also. Let's see. Related to this one digit. Yes. Here as you can see. Okay. Here page number 87 is your homework. Page number 87 is your homework. Okay. Yes. Page number 87 is your homework. Okay. Try to revise it very well. Okay na? And complete your work. Till then, goodbye.